Okay, now I'm going to go over directional terms for the body. So I'm going to start with right and left. So right, left. So it just means toward the right side of the body or towards the left side of the body. For example, right ear, left eye. Next, I'm going to do superior and inferior. So superior, a structure above another, and inferior would be structures below another. So for example, chin is superior to the navel, or the navel is inferior to the chin. Next is cephalic and caudal. Cephalic means toward the head or closer to the head than another structure. Caudal is closer to the tail than another structure. So chin would be cephalic to the navel. Navel would be caudal to the chin. Next, anterior and posterior. So we're going to do front of the body and back of the body. So spine would be posterior to the breastbone, navel anterior to spine. Next we have ventral and dorsal, which is toward the belly for ventral and towards the back for dorsal. So the navel is ventral to the spine is dorsal to the navel. Next is proximal and distal. So these deal with, I think, mostly like the legs and arms. So proximal is closer to the point of attachment than the other structure in relation to like your torso. So like the elbow is proximal to the wrist, and the wrist is distal to the elbow. Next is lateral and medial. So lateral is just going to be away from the midline of the body, and medial is going to be toward the midline of the body. So the nose is medial to the eye. And last, we have superficial and deep. So superficial, we're going to be toward the surface, and then deep would be away from the surface. So skin would be superficial to like the muscle, and the muscle would be, what's the word? It would be deep to the skin.